Hello everybody. Let's join Koala on his animal alphabet adventure. Hi there! Thanks for joining me on this animal alphabet adventure. Today I'm going to take you through the English alphabet. There are 26 letters. And we're also going to meet some interesting animals and listen to what they sound like. Let's go! A is for aardvark. B is for bat. C is for cow. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jackal. K is for kiwi. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for numbat. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for quokka. R is for rooster. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for yakari. V is for vulture. W is for warthog. X is for xerus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebu. Would you like to hear what a koala in the wild sounds like? Here we go. That's what I sound like in the wild. I hope you enjoyed this alphabet adventure. Let's do it again another time. Thank you for listening. And if you've enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so that you can stay up to date with our latest stories.